I'm on again! Whoa! You want double hookups? What? Holy crap. So it's apparently 2 meters swell today and we decided to go fishing. And this is the place where we want to fish off those rocks over there, but that doesn't look safe at all. Waves after waves just come in and crashing non-stop. So we've walked from main island over there and now we've made it to this little island over here. It's a little rock, big waves, a little sketchy, but it looks pretty alright to fish off there. That side's completely messed up though. Big surface action. That's a good sign, man. Oh, man. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Freaking waves are crazy. Yeah. First class, watch out with it. I didn't even know where my lure went, but oh, I saw fish. Huh? Oh, look over there on the right side. Holy crap, they're actually smacking something. They went out further now. Oh crap, sorry. Hey! Yeah, William! Let's go, William! Oh crap. Yeah, William! What is it? Kickback! Good job! I know, man. Oh no, I lost it, I dropped it. Oh, I'm on again! Whoa! Whoa! Now I'm on! Yeah! Let's go! Big whale! Oh my god! Yeah! Oh, little fella! Oh! His first cast, my second cast. Truc's gonna get a third cast. Yeah, I gotta keep this guy. He's on! Yeah! Yeah, Truc! That's it, man! You know what? Double hookups! What? Hey! Look at this! You know what, boys? Me too! That's it. Yeah! Oh! Oh! I was on for a second. Oh, I'm on! I'm on! Oh! I'm on! 2 out of 2 calls! Everyone's hooking up. Oh no, I dropped mine. Oh no, I got it. Oh, I pulled the hooks. Damn it. I pulled it too hard and I ripped it out of its lip. Yeah, I ripped it out of its lip. My fish literally went flying out the water. Yeah, Truc.
Let's go. Good pass, good fish.
Wow, 2 out of 2 casts, William.
Come on.
Hey! Yeah! Got him. 3 out of 3 casts. What? So strong again. Where's mine? Oh, you lost it right there.
I lost it.
Oh, you both lost at the same time. Okay. Oh no!
I was like 20 bucks there. No.
Oh.
Come on, get up.
Big wave! Whoa! Oh crap! Didn't even pass it. Oh! I snapped my lure and it fell right behind me.
What?
Oh, literally, I snapped my lure and it fell right behind me. 2 big fish for dinner. William's got another 2. I'm so hoping I don't lose this. I'm gonna get across before the waves come. This little fish just came out of its mouth, a little yellowtail. A little yellowtail came out of its mouth. Yeah, bleed him, eh? I'm back here, redoing my lure, and Truc's on. Truc's on again.
Gotta go back to complete angle.
Oh, I got it up.
Fuck, stuck me hook.
Yeah.
And landing on the rocks.
Alright. Big cast! So scared to lose my lure. Oh, I'm on it! Yeah! I'm on again! It's swimming directly at me. I feel like it's small.
Slow retrieving.
Oh yeah, slow retrieve. Oh yeah. Hey? No, I got it. It's in the waves, surfing. Oh, come on, it's stuck. Let's go. Yeah, the salmon. Alright. Lure's off. Hey, they're still smashing over there. Oh no! No! New extra out. No way, man. Oh my god.
Don't worry. I lost it too good.
This is literally, I bought this yesterday.
Is
Yeah. Ugh. This is pretty much the salmon we're catching at the moment. This is a smaller one, but it's heaps fun. They're hitting the lures so hard. We're just throwing around the Rapala X-Wraps. Caught one on the metal before, but yeah. Cast after cast. Not bad. This one's here's the big one. Man, massive. Third lure. Lost one, the other one I chucked it back. Didn't seem to sink. Oh yeah, I'm on! Oh, let's go. This one's pulling drag. Get him up. This one doesn't. Oh no! Ah, the waves just knocked it out of it. Oh no! Big wave just came and just knocked the fish off my lure. Let's see if we can catch another one like this. Oh yeah! I'm on! Yeah. No! Dropped it again! Oh my god! No, damn it. It's got soaked. So late on the wall. Yeah. Fuck, crap. Oh man.
Hey, we've got 6 salmon today.
6 salmon within half an hour. Now we can just chill. Big salmon too. Good fun, man. Jeez. So fun. Big wave. Yeah, Truc, let's go. Oh, the rocks. Oh, through that little crack.
Where's it?
Through there. Move it up a bit, yeah. Straight up.
Is it in there?
Yeah, still there, still there. Oh, you're right, you're good, you're good. Lift it up. Yeah. Oh, salmon's still around.
I've done a small dragon, but
Yeah, so small.
so tiny. Oh,
Yeah.
Recording. Far out.
Sorry, I got you. That's total salmon count of 7.
I just realised I forgot my.
William lost one up there. Holy crap. Oh, holy crap. Oh, I couldn't even see through it. Whoa. Oh, I'm on. Yeah. Oh man, it's heavy. I don't want to lose him. Oh no, I got out. Yes. Check out the little fish they're eating. Like bluish, what are they? Needlefish?
Yeah, needlefish.
Oh yeah, there's a little. Oh, it's massive. I reckon you can like hook this back up on the line.
Catch a brim on it.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah, what is that?
Stomach.
Oh, it's hard to feed. getting crazier and crazier. You get out before the high tide hits, otherwise we won't make it back to the island. Not a bad haul. Massive one right there. Obviously I caught that, yeah. Good size, not bad. Holy moly. Literally shoulder to shoulder. Looks so calm, but... Oh, guys on. Guys on.
Which one?
Yellow and blue. So we're at a new location. There's heaps of people here. They're hooking up on bonitos, all using coconut rigs and lures and baits of all sorts. Yeah, hopefully we can catch some bonitos. So we're away from the other location. There's probably not Aussie salmon. Yeah, a little picnic. We'll fuel it up. I'm gonna chuck out the Nomad. Hopefully I can catch something.
Big one? Looks big. Oh no, oh I think this guy now. He's reeled up, right? Reeled up.
Yeah, the guy's lying.
Excuse me.
Serious? Middle? Damn! Oh, pulling drag, let's go! Neato! Stop milking the fish, man. Come on, man. Oh, I'm on the right as well. I'm casting. Job Truc. Oh, it's decent though. Oh, big one, man. Big one. Oh, look at this rubbish everywhere. So bad. I might call that an episode today. Hope you guys enjoyed the session of those Aussie salmons. There's no luck here. I didn't get any bites, not even any hits. I switched to squid jigs, small jigs, medals, divers. Didn't catch anything. Those guys were the ones, well, back there. They were catching them non-stop. They had those coconut rigs, I believe that's what they're called. But yeah, I couldn't catch anything myself, but it's alright. I had heaps of fun this morning. Truc managed to catch a bonito. Pretty good size one. If you guys haven't liked, comment or subscribed to this channel, please do. There will be much better content. Hopefully anyway. I don't know. I'm a pretty terrible fisherman, so no promises to catch fish. Who knows? Subscribe guys. Enjoy.